Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare noodles with potatoes. And the ingredients required for this very simple recipe are: I have boiled noodles. I have taken two medium-sized potatoes and I have sliced them very thinly, just like how we use for fries. Here I have cut one small carrot very thinly, half a capsicum, one medium sized onion, oil for frying, soya sauce. I'm using chili flakes, this is optional, black pepper powder, and salt. So now the very first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take these potatoes and add little salt and little pepper powder, black pepper powder. And I'm going to mix this and fry them. So let's start frying them. We'll first heat the oil. So my oil is heated. Here goes the potatoes into the oil. I'm going to completely fry them so that they are cooked properly. Here is our potatoes fried completely. So I'm going to take them out. And there are still oil there. So what I will do, I'm going to prepare the vegetables in the same oil. So let's first take this out in another plate. Okay, I have taken out the potatoes here. Now I'll add little bit more oil into this. Let the oil get heated. Then I'm going to add the onions, carrots and capsicum once the oil gets heated. Now our oil is heated, so let's add the onions. Let's saute this. If you like the flavor of garlic, you can add little chopped garlic to this. Now I am adding the carrot and the capsicum. I'm going to mix it. Now I will cover this and let it get cooked, semi-cooked. So now I'll open the lid. My vegetable seems to be semi-cooked. I'm going to add little bit black pepper. Now the ratio of black pepper, salt can be adjusted. As if you make for children, you may reduce it. It's 2 tablespoons of soya sauce I have put, and the chili flakes. I will cover this now and let it get cooked. So here I think our vegetables are cooked. Now what we'll do, we'll add the noodles. I have already fried the potatoes earlier and I have kept it aside. I have shown you how I have fried it. Slowly we'll put the noodles into the pan. And we are going to mix it now. This has to be done on a medium-low flame. So we'll fry the noodles nicely now with these vegetables. Now our noodles are mixed properly with the veggies. They are slightly fried also. So I'm going to add the fried potatoes. And then again mix it well with the noodles and cook for another minute. So here is our potato noodles ready. I'll put up the flame. Now let's start serving. So here is our potato noodles ready. You can serve this with your favorite sauce. Children will love this as they love fried potatoes, and it is easily made at home with whatever ingredients is available. It really tastes good and a perfect lunchbox recipe. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Do make this recipe and enjoy at home. As I have said earlier, the ingredients, the ratio of the salt, black pepper, it all depends on your personal taste. So you can adjust the volume. Chili flake is optional. I like my one little spicy, so I have added chili flakes. I have added all total half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, which is freshly ground. See you soon, friends. Bye.